Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, working on a Leslie 47 amplifier, and I've refurbished this amp, and I have just one more section to complete. This is the Leslie amplifier load resistor. So this is a brand new one that I have to install. It'll go right into this slot here, right in that hole, and I'll have to connect this pin up here. That'll go right there. Then I'll take this 5-watt 8-ohm wire wound resistor and attach it to these two pins. So I have to bend that. They'll go like that. And then this final one will go through here and will attach to here. And then I'll be able to set the load to the open position. Let's see, see what type of cap I have on this thing. I'll match it, okay? So I'll match it with that. I called it a little bug. So I got another little bug there. Got different caps in here. Here's another little bug. Then I have vintage ones and some new style ones there. There's a tremolo corral switch cap. All right. So this is what I'm working on today. I'm gonna knock this project out, and I know the amp will play, but I have to finish this part. And so I've already, of course, as you can see, replaced, put in new capacitors, new relay, new potentiometer up here. Wired this so that I'll be able to use this amp with a cabinet that has a 2-speed dual speed Leslie motor set in the top, and this amp will be able to run fast and slow in the top, and then a 1-speed in the bottom with a bottom rotor. So I'll be able to put it in a 47 cabinet because it is a Leslie 47 amp, but I have it wired to run 2 speeds. Because I'm the Hammond Doc, and this is what I do here at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp saying to you, peace out.